Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about new 8-inch Powersports cage pods for your side-by-side vehicle. Bigger is better. You guys asked and we listened. We built on the success we've had with our popular Powersports 6.5-inch cage pod and developed the new US2 C8 8-inch cage pod specifically for your Powersports vehicle. It follows the same design lines and style cues that our 6.5-inch pod does, but in a compact 8-inch variant. That's important because we want to be able to put a pod in your vehicle that looks like it was made for your vehicle, because it was, and in a compact space, so we're able to fit tighter to the roll cage and not obscure your view or interfere tires and gas cans and things like that. We used our same successful dual ring clamp system, which simply bolts right onto the cage pod and allows adjustment for the pod 360 degrees, so you can get the cage pod lined up exactly where you want it. And even when it's on the bar, you can actually have final rotational adjustment, so that way your two cage pods are perfectly symmetrical every time. Like most of our enclosures, we offer the 8-inch cage pods in 3 variants. First, unloaded, if you have your own standardized 8-inch speaker. We also offer them with the Kicker KM8 Marine speakers, which is a nice complement to the rest of our Kicker systems, and the brand new SSV Works Powersports A8. This is a neodymium, lightweight, ultra-efficient speaker, which means it's going to be louder and consume less power than other 8s, and being fully weatherproof, it's designed to be loud and bright right for your Powersports vehicle. If you're looking to upgrade the sound in your side-by-side vehicle, these 8-inch cage pods are the perfect option for you. Because of the simple bolt-on ring clamp system, we rate this at an easy 1-bar installation. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, then leave us your comments and feedback. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor, this is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.